What's up, everybody? Episode 3, Coffee with Marcin. I think I'm just gonna lose the whole coffee thing because it's gonna be really difficult to shoot a video every time I'm having coffee. But in today's video, I have a special one and it's really, really good. So check out this place right here. So it's a really amazing restaurant in Athens, in the center. And the reason I wanted to make a video is because they have the most amazing pricing that I've ever seen. So we walked up and they have a happy hour, which is €1.70. Look at this right here. €1.70 for beer and €1.50 for wine. So think about that, that's extremely cheap. So what they've done, and everybody has to walk through this restaurant. So see all the walking traffic? So you have to walk through the restaurant and they have an extremely low price. Most places around this area are €3 to €4 for a drink. So they basically dropped their prices 50%. So see all the people? And as soon as you walk in there, what happens is the guy greets you and says, hey, come sit down for a $1.50 beer. And every single person's sitting. And this restaurant is packed. So this is the perfect low price intro upsell really for your business. So if you're serving coffee, you get them in. We ended up spending €25. We ended up buying food and all that stuff. But these guys here, they're charging very low ticket item up front, and then they're upselling you all the other stuff that they have, which is actually quite expensive. So pita bread and all that stuff. So this is just another great example of a smart business right here. Look at this. The restaurant, you have to walk through the middle of the restaurant. They get you in for $1.50 and then you end up spending €20, €30. Smart.